plus 90 degree. What's your answer?
2 comma minus 3.
2 comma minus 3. Second part answer?
2 comma 3.
2 comma 3.
uh,
Okay. And what's the third part answer?
2 comma minus 3.
2 comma minus 3. See. So first of all, see, where is my point? My point is minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So this is point P having coordinate minus 2 comma 3, and we have to rotate this point P. This is the point P. We have to rotate this point P about origin through an angle of plus 90 degree. So this is my line, position vector, and we have to rotate it 90 degree anti-clockwise. So where it will be the anti-clockwise? I think this. See, I have made all the four quadrants first, right? So I have to rotate it 90 degree anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means in this direction, right? Right, Rishit? So when
Yes,
you will,
sir.
I'm explaining again for your confirmation and your clearance, right? If you rotate it 90 degree anti-clockwise, it is 100% guaranteed that it will go in the third quadrant. 100% guaranteed. Is it okay? Why?
Yes, sir.
Because you have
Yes.
already some angle here, and this complete angle is 90 degree, and you will rotate still 90 degree more. It will stop in somewhere. It will stop somewhere in third quadrant. Is it okay? So the trick is, what's
Oh,
my
yes.
trick is, if you have to rotate 90 degree anti-clockwise, just exchange the coordinates. Just exchange the coordinates. So it's 2 3, so you will write 3 2 and put the sign according to your quadrants. So it's third quadrant x
Oh,
is
it's like that.
sorry,
Oh, okay, yeah.
in the third quadrant both the coordinates should be negative, x coordinate negative as well as y coordinate negative. So you should write minus 3 and minus 2. So minus 3 minus 2. Okay, let us trace this. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and then minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2. So this is going to be your new point, that is P dash, and its coordinate should be minus 3 minus 2, and my position vector will be like this, and the angle 90 degree will be like this. This is your 90 degree, and I will try to confirm it by measuring the angle as well. So just wait and watch. This is my protector. I am going to measuring this angle for your clearance. Yes, is it 90 or not? Approximately I have
Oh, yes,
drawn it
sir.
by freehand, but you can see, yes, this is 90 degree. And another thing I also want to verify, that the length of position vector will be the same. If you try to measure the length of this position vector, this will be the same. See, so see, I'm going to measure this. Have you seen such application? Everything is here.
No.
Okay. Even see, I can just yes. Yes, I can even sketch here also. No, this is not the correct way. Its application is yes. See, right? Exactly straight line will be drawn, right? And if you measure its length, I think it's clear. It is going to be approximately how much? 3.5, 3.6, right? Approximately it's
Yeah.
3.6. So when you will rotate this to measure this, you will get again same thing. Just another one. See, it's again going to be same. Approximately, you can see, right? So I think there should be no any doubt now in my trick. I have given you a trick, right? And I have verified it. Are you getting my point, Rishit? Why I am
Yes,
giving
sir.
you such verification? Why? Because there is no such any rule in your textbook which I am giving you. It's my observation, it's my trick, you can say. That's why I am giving you a confirmation, or you can say proof also. Length is same, angle is 90 degrees. So my trick is correct. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so first answer is wrong. Your first answer is wrong. You have told me this 2 and minus 3. It's wrong. Correct answer was minus 3 and minus 2. Can you now tell me for what will be the angle for what will be the coordinate for minus 90 degree? It means clockwise rotation. So where will be the
3
clockwise
comma
rotation?
2.
Yes. First of all, see clockwise means, let me change the color. Clockwise means in this direction. This is the clockwise direction. And when you will rotate this 90 degree, it's 100% sure that it's going to be stopped in somewhere in first quadrant. Is it okay? Guaranteed.
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do? Just exchange the coordinate. So it should be 3 2. No, no, no. Yes, 3 2, because original question was 2 and 3, so it's 3 2. And since it's in first quadrant, so both the points will be in positive, right? So 3 2, 1 2 3 and 1 2. So this is going to be your p double dash, and this will be still the same length. This is going to be 90 degree. It is appearing as 90 degree as well. I want to verify your length of the rotating vector will be still same. You may see it. Just have you remembered what was the length? Approximately 3 point something. See,
3.6 it was.
exactly, it's like approximately same, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have approximately, yes, 3.6 approximately. I hope you are getting this and observing this trick as well, right? So now tell me the answer for, okay, your second answer was also incorrect. See, you have told me 2 comma 3. Why? Second
No, sir,
answer
I
was
forgot
what?
to swap the X and the Y.
Sorry.
I forgot to swap the X and the Y.
Okay, overall your second answer was also incorrect, right? Exchange the sign. I think
Yeah.
just exchange. Last time I think I have told you just change the sign. It should be minus 2 comma 3 should be 2 comma minus 3. Just exchange the sign only, isn't it? let us try minus 2 comma minus 3. So 1 2 minus 3, 1 2 minus 3. This should be, let us suppose I have named it p 4 times. So my vector will be, position vector will be this. Yes, please correct it. Please correct this. Are you getting my point? Please note it down. Now this is going to be your 180-degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, my all these all tricks are my observation. So it may be sometimes, but okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
please write it very carefully. What's the rule for 90-degree? What's the rule for minus 90-degree? What's the rule for 180? Otherwise, in your textbook, you have one method, that's the tracing paper method, right? Write it quickly, very quickly. I'm going to discuss another way from the matrix method.
So for 90, we swap the x and the y value, and then whichever quadrant it's in, we
Yes,
put those
yes,
values. I mean, those
both.
signs.
Yes, we can summarize as for plus minus 90-degree. Write it for plus minus 90-degree. Exchange the x and y coordinate. Exchange the x and y coordinate. Please write it in a statement form. For plus 90 minus 90, exchange the x and y coordinate and follow the sign according to quadrant, and put the sign according to quadrant. I hope you will understood
Yes, sir.
by these two lines. For 180-degree, please
Sir,
write.
can I go to the bathroom quickly?
Yes, yes, very. So write for 180-degree. Write the rule for 180-degree. No change
Yes, sir, I wrote
in
it.
coordinate. No change in no change in coordinate. Simply reverse the sign of
Sorry.
both the coordinate. Are you getting my point? There will be no for 180-degree. There will be no exchange in coordinates. No exchange in x and y coordinates. Simply change the sign of both the coordinate. For example, here it's minus 2. In the answer part, it will be plus 2. In the question, it's plus 3. In answer part, it will be minus 3. Is it okay? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, with the same question, what was my question? My question was point P is 2 minus 2 comma 3. My question was this, and I have to rotate in the first part. I have to rotate through what I have done, plus 90-degree. So to rotate about origin with the plus 90-degree, what's the transformation matrix? Do you know?
Sir, no.
It is, it is, sorry, it is 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. If this is your transformation matrix for 90-degree, now let us verify it with the matrix. So what will be the answer? So my P dash will be equals to, see, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, minus 1 0. It's a 2 cross 2 matrix. I will multiply it with minus 2 and 3. This is 2 cross 1 matrix. So my resultant will be, see, this 2 and 2 is same. So my resultant will be of 2 by 1 order. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the transformation matrix. The first you have to put the transformation matrix. In the second part, you have to write your coordinate in column form. Now do the multiplication. First row into first column. So 0 into minus 2. Let me write it. So I am going to write clearly. So 0 into negative of 2 plus 1 into 3. Is it okay? And second row into first column, minus 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 3. Is it okay? Are you getting my point?
Oh, yes, sir.
So what it will be? 0 and plus 3. So it should be 3, and in second part minus 1 into minus 2, it will be 2 and plus 0, so 2. So its answer will be 3 and 2. Let us check what was the p dash was. Okay, see, hello Rishit. See,
Yes, sir.
it means this is the transformation matrix for your 90-degree rotation. Please correct this. This is the transformation matrix for 90-degree, right? This is the transformation matrix for 90-degree, because see, its answer is coming 3 2, and that was the answer for, see, in your clockwise direction. Is it okay? Minus 90 means clockwise. Please write it. This is the clockwise. So clockwise
Yes, sir.
transformation.
Minus 90.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Minus 90 is clockwise everything.
Yes. So for this, the transformation matrix is this: 0 1 minus 1 and 0. Right.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when we talk about the plus 90-degree, when we talk about the plus 90-degree, that is the anti-clockwise. So its transformation matrix will be, see, clockwise. Clockwise means clockwise 90-degree. Yes, clockwise, anti-clockwise 90-degree, sine 91, cos 90, 0 0, and should be minus of 1. Have you written somewhere this with the matrix?
सर, तो ये क्वाड्रेंट जो मेथड है, हम ये इस मैट्रिक्स की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मतलब अगर हमें 90 डिग्री मैट्रिक्स की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो हम वो कैसे निकालेंगे?
सॉरी सॉरी, हाँ उसका देखो। अच्छा वो वैसे, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है, आपका डाउट समझ गया। यहाँ तो कर लोगे ना आप। ये हो गया आपका -2, 3 करके देखो जरा फटाफट, आ जाएगा ना? अच्छा, अब आपका ये डाउट
हाँ,
था,
तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ठीक है।
बता रहा हूँ। हम्म, इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? सिंपली आप जो अपना पॉइंट लो ना, आप क्या कैसे याद कर सकते हो? 1 1 लो, सिंपल। 1 1 का प्लस 90 डिग्री से रोटेशन कराओ तो जरा क्या आएगा? 1 1 का -90 से रोटेशन कराओ, क्या आएगा बताओ? प्लस 90 के लिए क्या बताया? एक्सचेंज द कोऑर्डिनेट। एक्सचेंज द कोऑर्डिनेट। अब देखो प्लस 1 1 कहाँ
हाँ,
होगा? प्लस 1 1 पहले पॉइंट लोकेट करो। 1 1 यहाँ होगा, देखो ये है पॉइंट पी 1 1। और प्लस 90 डिग्री, प्लस 90 डिग्री मतलब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मतलब इधर। इज इट ओके? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज
हाँ,
मतलब
हाँ।
इधर। तो ये पॉइंट यहाँ आ जाएगा पी डैश। देखो ना, वन लेंथ का वेक्टर तो यही बनेगा, और ये 90 डिग्री होगा। तो इसका जो, अच्छा, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है? सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में एक्स नेगेटिव होता है, वाई पॉजिटिव होता है। ठीक है यहाँ तक? तो अगर आपने काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज किया तो आपका पॉइंट क्या आया? -1 and 1। तो इसका जो रोटेशन वेक्टर बनेगा, इसका जो रोटेशन वेक्टर बनेगा काउंटर क्लॉकवाइज का, वो बना 0 -1 1 एंड 0। -90 से करते तो क्या करते? जस्ट पहले इसको लिख लेते हैं। -90 से करते तो कैसे करते? क्लॉकवाइज करते, यानी कि क्लॉकवाइज मतलब इधर मूव करते और ये करीब यहाँ आता। दिस इज द पी डबल डैश। इसके लिए आपको क्या बताया मैंने? इसके लिए क्या बताया मैंने आपको? एक्सचेंज द कोऑर्डिनेट 1 and 1 एंड फॉलो द कोऑर्डिनेट रूल। सो x विल बी पॉजिटिव, y विल बी नेगेटिव, एंड इट्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स इज, मैं आपको याद करने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ। इट्स ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैट्रिक्स इज 0 1 -1 एंड 0। राइट ऋषि? अब देखो, सी,
यस सर।
दोनों ही देखो 90 डिग्री। अच्छा 180 का भी कर लेते हैं भाई, ऑब्जर्वेशन करने के लिए 180 का भी कर लेते हैं। 180 का रूल क्या बताया था? कि एक्सचेंज नहीं करना है,
Keep the sign.
कोऑर्डिनेट तो वही रहेगा, सिंपली साइन चेंज कर देना है। सिंपली साइन चेंज कर देना है। दोनों पॉजिटिव थे तो यहाँ पे दोनों नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। और इसके लिए जो रोटेशन मैट्रिक्स आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है -1 0 0 -1। अब देखो, ठीक है, ऑब्जर्वेशन। हेलो कृषित, सी, जब भी आप
यस सर, यस
प्लस
सर।
90 या -90 करते हो, जब भी आप प्लस 90 या -90 करोगे, तो आपके ये इस वाले रो में चेंज होना है, ठीक है, ये जो ऑफ डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स हैं उसमें चेंज होना है। और कैसे चेंज होना है देखो तो, आपका किसका साइन बदला, एक्स का साइन बदला या वाई का साइन बदला? एक्स का साइन बदला ना, देखो यहां से,
हाँ,
-90 के केस में वाई का साइन बदला,